I have an update on the bees, but first, are you hungry? You look famished.
I'm going to make something today, but I'm not going to tell you until later. Okay, what you're going to start off with first is a stick of butter. And you're done. That's all. Thanks for watching. One cup of diced onions. So now I think I can use this time to maybe talk to you about the bees and where we are. I'm sure by now you may have heard on Facebook about the winter that's coming in and how it's going to be really bad and the temperatures are going to get really, really low, and that's concerning. Yesterday we placed entrance reducers on the hives to control the size of the opening. By controlling the size of the entrance, the bees now have a higher chance of maintaining a stable temperature inside the hive. 2 cups of milk. Everyone, this is my wife. She is very cold. If you haven't figured it out by now, bees don't fly in cold weather.
Otherwise,
Typically,
I'd be gone.
That's right.